Hi guys, I'm so happy to be here today to bring you lesson sound 11. This lesson sound 11 is somehow tricky. Let me show you the sounds. I have 5 of them here. These are the sounds I would like us to really go through them today. You can see them, they look somehow different. They have different ways of writing them phonetically, but I would like to summarize all of them and just tell you guys to just to say just all of them. Let's see, for example, how do we go about them? You see, these are nasal vowels in French, which are produced by letting air escape through the nose while keeping the mouth open. Phonetically, I would like to show you that phonetically they look somehow different. As you can see down there, the IPA, they are somehow different. Let's see the words and see how you're gonna pronounce this. Check these words: an, an, an. You see the first one there is an, and then the second one there is you can see is spa. Look at this. This is an. I'm talking about an. Phonetically, it's written like this. Even in the meaning, it's there. But for now, remember, our objective is to know how to say words in French, not even the meaning. Pa, just pa, pa, pa. Ma, a, fa, and sa. So you can see they look different. Somehow they look somehow different. This is the same phonetically written, the same. It's somehow different, but just somehow different, but So I would like us to generalize to have to say all. When you see the say When you see E-N, just say E-N, So to be so simple, just an, pa, ma, fa, sa. If you go to sentences, look at these sentences. If I can zoom this side so that you can see exactly what you're saying before I show you the translation there. Check this. L'âne est dans l'eau près. L'âne, the objectives there are l'âne est dans l'eau près. Je mange du pain. Je mange du pain. The papa is there. Elle a une main droite. Elle a une main droite. Un homme parle. Un homme, now this one you need to link, there's a liaison. We are linking, it's a, but we need to hear the N because you're joining the N with the on. Un homme, it's a, but un homme parle. Un homme parle. Il a faim. Il a faim. Il a faim. Elle a mal au sein. Elle a mal au sein. Elle a mal au sein. So if you want to see the translation of all that, I'm going to zoom so that you can see all that. L'âne est dans le pré. The donkey is in the field. Je mange du pain. I eat bread. Elle a une main droite. She has a right hand. Un homme parle. A man is speaking. Il a faim. He is hungry. Elle a mal au sein. She has pain in her breast. So guys, try to just say a simple for all those words when you see them. Thank you very much, and I'll bring in lesson 12 very soon. God bless you guys. Bye bye.